oil. I think this is the place, and it is a bit hot. So from here the oil will come. Welcome to Mushabbar. Today I am going to show you how you can change oil in your car, how you can change both oil filter and oil in your car. I am going to do it after a very long time by myself. Maybe 10 years ago I have done it with a different car. Now I have a Peugeot 508 and I am trying first time with this car to change oil and oil filter by myself. I'm going to use some place like this, probably this one or some other place, to lift up the car and then to change the oil. And then this place also has a area to clean up the car, as you can see here. It costs like 50 crown to use these lifts, plus as long as you stay inside this room it will cost around I think 2.5 kron per minute. So I think it will take half an hour or less than 1 hour, so it will be like 200 to 300 crown it could cost. But you need to know everything and you have to plan in advance, otherwise you can mess it up. I have to look this how these things work. To change oil in your car, you have to buy the motor oil that is suitable for your car. Now I have 2 of these packets already at my home, and they are from very old days, but they are not expired, but I'm not going to use them because whenever I see the recommendation is to buy this oil, this one, this art number 36 9004. So this is the oil that is recommended for my Peugeot car, and it's 4 liter. I think 1 box is enough, but I am going to buy 2 of them to be on the safe side. And you should always have motor oil in your car anyway. You should have extra thing. And next, if it is more than enough, I will use it next time when I am going to change the motor oil. And then I have already picked up the right filter for my car, and this is the filter. So this is the recommended one for my car. I hope it will work. Let's see how it goes. I think it is very important that before you change your motor oil, you need to make sure that you have right tools in your hand. So I have the whole toolbox. Actually, you do not need the whole toolbox, but since I am doing it after a long time, I have brought the whole toolbox with me. I only need in the beginning this one, and number 27. This is 27. Yeah, actually 26, but I don't have 26. This can open my oil filter. So filter can be opened with this one. And then there is also a screw that you have to open in the bottom. I don't know which number is that, and I have never seen that, but I think some of these things will work. Otherwise I have these things to use and these things to use. So you have to go to the place where you are going to change your oil with the right tool set. So now I have all the motor oil, filter. This is motor oil from the past, I don't need that, but these two boxes I need oil filter, and then I need a tool set. So you need to have that before you try to change your oil. Once you have done one time, after that you don't need such a heavy toolbox. Maybe you only need one or two pieces from your toolbox. So let's see how it goes. This first, and my car is a bit hot, so make sure it's not very hot. Taken out the filter from here, and now I am going to use new filter, and this should be there. Just like this. So this is how we need to lift the car up. So from here we need to remove oil. I think this is the place, and it is a bit hot. So I think this is the only place from where we can get rid of the oil. Okay. It's number 22. So from here the oil will come. So that's how I think we did it right. This is mobile oil or motor oil. We have to put the new filter, and we have to be very careful. The car is still hot. So now we are tightening the filter back. Now we are going to put oil inside. So this is motor oil. So you we have to plan it well. Maybe I should bring some special equipment to add this in proper way because it is falling down. When I started, my car was very hot, so I have to I have to make it cool by putting a lot of water, and I didn't plan for that, so that was a mistake. I should have something to carry water because there is no water in this area. And now this looks like more than enough oil, but let's see. The level of the oil with this stick. And it looks like we have enough oil. Yes, it looks like. So even one box was enough, but we'll check a little bit later when we go out. But it looks like we have enough oil already. So we did not need this one, this is extra. So this will be used next time. Okay, so now I think everything is done. That's how you change the oil. Now I think we are going to say goodbye. If I will remember anything important, I will let you know, or I will make another video, but this is everything. Thank you. Goodbye. So we have done with the oil. We have changed the motor oil, and now we are going to check if everything is okay. It did cost around 200 krona inside for renting out the place. It could cost up to 300 krona as well if you take longer time. My car was a bit hot, and I did not plan for water, so I should have bring something with me to use the water because there was nothing there. It took a little bit more time for me to do it because it was first time after 10 years and it is a different car. So it took a bit longer time, but we have done it. And only one bottle of this motor oil was more than enough. It was 4 liter oil, it was more than enough. We bought two boxes, so we have one extra now. Actually I have 2 from the past, so we have 3 extra now bottles, but one is more than enough. Because I think we have filled, I was thinking one is not enough, so I entered almost all, and now I see it is little more than needed, little more than, I think it will be okay. But you don't need to buy 2 bottles, but I will use that next time. So let's see what level it says. You see it shows little bit more oil, and it is still little bit black. Let's see one more time. Yeah, it is at maximum level. So I think it should be between minimum and maximum somewhere here, but it is almost here. So I think it's okay. It's not too much, but it's little more. So I think 3.5 liters is maybe enough. So that's how we change the oil. Thank you to all of you. If you like this video, please share this video to the whole world. Spread this video everywhere. We are confident that this channel is going to have a huge impact. This channel is going to change some of the lives of the people. So please subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon and stay tuned. Thank you to all of you. Goodbye.